Day 13. Cleaning up even more energy. How to maximize your infinite potential and clean up even more energy. According to the human potential movements, unfinished projects, loose ends, unresolved conflicts, incomplete things, open loops are like energy flying around. It causes emotional, mental, and sometimes even physical energy leak. All those things require completion and closure. Why? Firstly, for our own health. According to Louise Hay, hard feelings can cause distress, can cause diseases. The exercises make a list of all the things that you started and didn't finish, all the areas of your life that you don't feel completion, that you've been avoiding. They are like lost pieces of a puzzle all over the place. All things that you started and didn't go to the end, that you left it unfinished. All unfinished business, all things that bothers you somehow, that steals your energy. I used to be the queen of unfinished projects. Procrastination is a very bad habit, but now I've learned to break free from it. I've trained myself to focus in my goals and have things done, or I don't even start. So make a list of all the things you've been procrastinating and you don't even look. Big and small things. Make a list of all unfinished projects, loose ends, unresolved conflicts, people that you should forgive, uncompleted things, open loops, dead ends with no closure. Take your time and do it now. Pause the video and do it, and see you in 10 minutes. And I'm back. How big is that list? Take a very good look at it. Read every line and decide, is this important or not? What's not? Just let go. Deliver to the universe. What are the relationships that you need to heal? Maybe you've been waiting for a long time for someone to come and say, I'm sorry for their behavior, for hurting you. Perhaps it's there on the back of your mind, possibly under the carpet in your heart. It's painful to think about them because you want an apology. Or maybe you still love them. Well, maybe it's time to admit that this may never happen, so let go. As Sir Paul says, let it be, let it be. Give them apologies for you, for your peace of mind. Forgive, especially if it's someone close to you, a relative, a friend, an ex. Do whatever is needed to forgive. Consider even calling them or sending a message with a hello. I know it's not easy. I know that from myself, but it's doable. And it's going to do so good for you. Firstly, for yourself. And secondly, for them also. So untie the knots. Let go all the things that are not important. Clean your heart and free so much room that you will feel relieved. Let go of the things that you are not going to finish. Release the energy to the universe. The universe doesn't like vacuum. And soon it will be full of good, wonderful, new things. Clean also your room, your house. That drawer that's full of unneeded junk. When you put order on things, you clean your house, your closet, you are also cleaning your mind. So choose the things that you need to finish and put them in the first place in the list. And the things that you are not going to finish, let go of them. And don't think about it anymore. Read. Do I need this? Am I going to finish? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Priority. No? Release it to the universe. And see you tomorrow.